Reason for the season, he's paid for the sins of all people. God died on the cross. Jesus, the Son of God, he died on the cross for your sin and mine. When you reject his name and you believe in him, God Jesus Christ committed no sin. I've committed sin, you've committed sin. Jesus Christ paid on the cross for your sin and mine. God so loved you that he sent his only to pay for your own sin. Tell you, no one wants to stand on that day without Jesus believing you today, and you'll be saved. Can I tell you, if someone wants to say that, if someone wants to confess that, can I tell you, Jesus that will say, you know what, I am a sinner and I need help. I put my hand up 10 years ago and said, you know what, I'm a sinner and I need help. Can I tell you, Jesus has changed my life. He's changed my direction. I was on the way to hell, now I'm on the way. Listen guys, this is a message of hope. It's a message of hope. It's not to condemn people. Jesus actually didn't come to condemn you. In fact, people are condemned without Jesus. He came to save you today. John 9:5. Can I tell you the real reason for life is I know the Lord. It's in the Lord. It's our relationship with God. Can I tell you we're so happy to do it? We're so happy.
You won't be getting a doll. You won't be able to.
그렇지.
You could